What's good, everybody? It's your boy Lord DC, aka Capital DC, back at it once again, bringing you the 7-figure side hustle. Hey man, but before I get into that, man, just so you know, I am one of the owners of a healthy life enhancement center, aka we call it Weed Juice, that's located in Hazel Park. The address is 906 East 9 Mile. And what we do is we specialize in raw juices, smoothies, sandwiches, sushi. We got a lot of life enhancers that you could add to the raw juices and smoothies. Things like apple cider vinegar, sea moss, turmeric, oregano oil, goju berries, chia seeds, hemp seeds, just to name a few. We also got CBD oil, that's just to name a few. But in any area that we can enhance your life, that's what we'll do. That's what we specialize in. So if you ever in the area, you want your life enhanced, come check me out. But right now, you checking out my video, the Capital DC page. The Capital DC page is designed to enhance your life through the mind, the body, and soul. Any way I can enhance your life, if you watch anything that I put, any of my content, it's always to enhance your life. So right now, I'm enhancing your life right now through the mind with that 7-figure side hustle. Man, let's get right back into it. So the last chapter I did was a chapter about goal. This is the chapter about plan. Get you a plan. He never planned to fail. He just failed to plan. When there is no vision, the people shall perish. That's Proverbs 22:29-18. Commit to the Lord, whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. That's Proverbs 16:3. A goal without a plan is just a wish or a dream. And that's by, once again, the incredible coach, Mr. Herm Edwards. Follow a plan and not man nor woman. Learn how to play chess instead of checkers. And once you master the art of chess, flip the board over and learn how to play the game of backgammon and AC Deucey. And that's by the wonderful author, Big Ray Hardy. Everyone has a dream. To make your dream a reality, you need a plan. The process, the people, the persistence, the patience, and the passion. And that's by Jeffrey Gadamer. Poor people plan for a Saturday night. Rich people plan for 3 generations. I hope that sunk in, man. I'm gonna say it one more time. Poor people plan for a Saturday night. Rich people plan for 3 generations. A goal is a destination or the place where you want to be. A plan is a roadmap of how you get there, a blueprint or how you put it together. When you arrive in a recipe of all the ingredients, processes, and tools necessary to bring it into fruition or manifestation, or plain simple, to manifest. The next step after you figure out your purpose, mission, or that which you are working to achieve, acquire, or accomplish is to develop a plan of action or a roadmap of how to get there to the place called there. Say that once again. The next step after you figure out your purpose, mission, or that which you are really working to achieve, acquire, or accomplish is to develop a plan of action or a roadmap of how to get to the place called there. Game planning. Setting a strategy is a blueprint for success. Achievers are detail oriented. Develop a blueprint, pattern, or diagram to achieve your goals. In this blueprint or pattern, describe how you would solve your problems, provide value and reward for your prospective clients, because you will receive no reward until you do so. Money is a reward if you receive when your problems for others. Let me say that again. Money is a reward you receive when you solve problems for others. Make sure your motives are clear and honest, and that your plan is detailed to answer the following questions: who, what, when, how, and why. If it doesn't make dollars, save money, or solve problems, it doesn't make sense. And if you don't have any, how much is your opinion really worth? And that's by Big Ray Hardy. Man, here's a special note by Big Ray. The main reason you bought this book is to get it planned, because money doesn't come with instructions. It's a tool that you use, or an element of exchange. You need to use it wisely. Even though it's made out of trees, it doesn't grow on trees unless you have a tree farm. You can acquire it, but if you don't know what to do with it, or have a plan in hand or in place to get it misplaced into the wrong hands. You've heard the old saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Something can happen with your money if you don't have a plan for it. Other people have plans for your money when you don't, because it's a magnet and it attracts all kinds. You don't want certain people, leeches, or liabilities in your circle. A fool and his money are soon departed. Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom. With all thy getting, get understanding. That's Proverbs 4:7. Learn to regulate your cash flow so your cash flow doesn't regulate you. I have another special note. Design your game plan so that it's rewarding for those on your team to be in your presence, in addition to those who subscribe to your products, goods, or services. One more special note. For those of you whose goal is to accumulate $1 million within a year's time, your plan should encompass making at least $2,739 a day or more for 365 days straight. This goal, which may seem unfathomable to the average consumer, shouldn't be hard to accomplish if you have the right mindset, product, services, enthusiasm, and the right people on your team. Man, I hope y'all understand what type of goal is in this book. That was all in this chapter. And that was chapter 4. Get a plan. And that was the 7-Figure Side Hustle by Big Ray Hardy. If you want to purchase the 7-Figure Side Hustle, I got the link in the bio. I got the link in the chat. You want to purchase it. People will be destroyed through a lack of knowledge. The knowledge is in this book. If you want to hide something from the people, you put it in a book. Get the book so you could be ahead of the game, so you can start bringing success to you. Reading is fundamental. You know why? It funds the mental.
The world. We can motivate the world. The world.